In the realm of language, words often dance and align in intricate patterns, giving rise to the intriguing phenomenon of palindromes. A palindrome is a word, phrase, or sequence that reads the same forward and backward, defying the conventional notion of linguistic symmetry. From humble beginnings as simple words like level and radar, palindromes have found their way into literature, music, and even science, leaving an enigmatic trail throughout human creativity. The origins of palindromes can be traced back to ancient civilizations. Greek mathematician Archimedes is credited with discovering the palindrome nun, while Roman poet Ennius coined the term sator, arepo, tenet, opera, rotas. This enigmatic phrase, when arranged in a square, reads the same horizontally, vertically, and diagonally, embodying the essence of palindromic artistry. Throughout history, palindromes have captured the imagination of scholars, writers, and puzzle enthusiasts alike. Medieval monks used palindromes as a form of secret code, while Renaissance poets incorporated them into their sonnets and epitaphs. In the modern era, palindromes have found a home in literature, with authors like Lewis Carroll and Vladimir Nabokov weaving them into their works. The appeal of palindromes lies in their uncanny ability to challenge our expectations of language. They remind us that words, often perceived as linear and unidirectional, can possess an unexpected symmetry and beauty. Whether it's the simple elegance of kayak or the intricate complexities of longer palindromic phrases like stressed desserts, these linguistic puzzles invite us to marvel at the hidden wonders of language. In the scientific realm, palindromes have also found their place. DNA, the blueprint of life, contains palindromic sequences that play a crucial role in genetic replication and regulation. Furthermore, palindromic structures have been observed in crystallography, as certain crystals exhibit the same symmetry when viewed from opposite directions. Beyond their linguistic and scientific significance, palindromes have also captured the hearts of artists and musicians. Composers like Igor Stravinsky and Bela Bartok have incorporated palindromic melodies and rhythms into their works, creating a sense of symmetry and repetition that fascinates listeners. Similarly, visual artists have employed palindromic patterns in their paintings, sculptures, and installations, exploring the interplay between form and meaning. In conclusion, palindromes stand as a testament to the boundless creativity and fascination inherent in language and beyond. From the simplicity of race-per to the complexities of palindromic sequences in DNA, these enigmatic words and phrases continue to intrigue and inspire, reminding us that even in the mundane, the extraordinary can be found.